Hello, today I will show you how you can view selected images from input type file in React. So here we have this input type file. It has multiple attributes so you can select multiple files. We are accepting only images from this. Note that we did not specify the name attribute. This is intentional because we will be managing selected files manually. If you specify the name too, then it will cause confusion on server side. So first, we will create an array that will hold all the selected files. Then, whenever users select the files, we will save them in our array. Array.from function will convert any array-like object into an array. And we will display the selected images. And a button to remove the image. To update a state variable in React, we will first create a shallow copy of that object. Then, we will remove one elementette from that index and update the state variable. Now let me show you how you can attach those images in your AJAX request. We will create a button that when clicked will call an AJAX request. We will create a form data object. Then we will loop through all images and append them in form data as an array. I will create a sample AJAX request to demonstrate this. So it is sending 3 images. If I remove any image, then it will send 2. So that's how you can view and delete selected files from input type file using React. If you face any problem in following this, kindly do let me know.